Hey everybody, Graham's here. Today I'm at Hampton Inn in Amesbury, Massachusetts on Elm Street. Here just visiting. We're right at just right down the street from, well, now it's Amesbury we're in, but it's really kind of right on the Amesbury-Salisbury line. So we're really just about 15 minutes from Salisbury Beach. So we're gonna get some beach pizza on this trip, and we're here for a couple nights. But I got a 2-queen room, so I kind of just wanted to show you around. You know me, I like my Hampton Inns, and this looks like it's going to be a good one. So again, Hampton Inn, Elm Street in Amesbury, Salisbury border, Salisbury, Mass, which is Salisbury Beach. Hampton Beach is just over the bridge, so not too far, good location, and it looks pretty nice. Let's check it out. All right, so I got a 2-queen room. I'm not going to show you the door number this time like I have been because, well, it's a 2-queen room. You don't really need to know the number, but it is 290, room 215. I'm on the second floor, 215. So we got a nice little coat rack here, bag rack. I like it. Got a nice door stopper here. I know I don't show it all the time, but I like when you open the door and you have a little door stopper and you don't hear that big clanking noise. Let's see. All right, looks pretty nice. Got this queen bed here. You got 4 pillows on each. That looks nice. I always, again, you know, Gramps likes his Hampton Inns because I love these pillows. The pillow is always super nice and soft. Super nice and soft. I love these blankets too. Let's do the test here, guys. You know what we're looking for. But, okay, so the Hampton Inn, they do not have a mattress encasement, which is okay. Not everybody has mattress encasements, but let's still inspect what we have. Looks clean here. Looks clean under there. You know, we're looking for the bugs, guys. Alright. Alright. This looks nice and clean here. I'll make that in a second. But not always when one is, the other is, but again. Alright. Looking clean here. Alright. Make that up later. Alright. So far, like it. Beds look clean, comfortable, and I love the pillows. Alright, we have here, straightforward. Look at the size of this TV. I don't even know the size. I mean, that's definitely over 50 inches, I think. Let's see what it says on the back. No. I don't know, good looking TV though, huge. Got a nice microwave here. Underneath here we have the coffee maker, coffee on a tray here. This slides out. I don't drink coffee anymore, so it's okay. Where's the fridge, you ask? Fridge is right here, but they are not no slam drawers or whatever. My wife knows the real name, but they slam when you close them, so be careful. Alright, we got a fridge here. Nice. First I wasn't sure if these were glass because I couldn't see through them, but they're just clean, but there's glass. Alright, good fridge. See if you oops, sorry guys. And then look at this. This is cool. Now I put my chips in here so you can see what it is. I'm calling it a pantry area because you get your little 3 drawers here, which I think is really cool, and they all kind of slide out. I think that's fantastic. All right, ooh, got my bag here. Got like a little ottoman here, which, oh, it's on wheels too. Oh, that's fun. I guess it was, yeah, that's nice. All right, good desk, like it. Oh, look, we got plugs here. Good. Coming over here, ice bucket, nice lamp here. I like it. I love the pictures of Hampton Inn. Like when we were in Williamsburg, Virginia, they had a Williamsburg one. Now I love the greetings from Massachusetts, USA, because we're in Massachusetts. I love the pictures always on the Hampton Inn walls. Get the AC here. Let's do a little panorama before I show you the view. Again, in here, want to show you the desk drawers here. I like these lamps. Basic phone. That's kind of neat. It's not like you get like your nightstand here and you get a lot of extension. I mean, it's a little dirty, but it's all right. But maybe a towel over it. And we got some USBs here, some plugs here. I like it. All right, let's check the outside, and then after that, I'll show you the bathroom area. And so let's see what we got here. So first you got your blackout drapes here, your heavy drapes, your lighter drapes, and then also you have your blackout curtains right here. Which are great. So completely block things out. Looks like our view is of the porte cochere. It's a busy one tonight, but it's very quiet here. Oh, that looks nice, stonework. I came in at night, so I haven't seen the outside yet. But I love it. I like it. I love Hampton Inns, you know that. Oh, we got some more plugs right there too. Gotta make that bed. That's driving me nuts. All right, let's see here. We got extra blankets here. We got nice coat hangers, ironing board. I'm not sure what. Oh, like a luggage rack, I think. I think so. And ironing board, and this is kind of cool. This was just like at the Sahara, with the sliding door. So I like this. So here, this is the closet. What's behind here? Door number 2. And what's behind this door? I wonder. It's our bathroom. I like these. I like the doors. You know, a lot of people give flack for having these sliding doors for the bathroom, but I like them. Oh, what's that say? It's a good day for a good day. Oh, that's cool. I like what that says right there. I don't know if you can read it on the door, but it says it's a good day for a good day. I agree. Let's open that up and get a little more lighting. All right, we got some towel racks here. 3 of them too, which is great. Look at all these towels. Wow. I'm embarrassed to say it's just me here, guys. For a couple nights I'm doing a solo one. No Grams with me here, but I got a ton of towels. Nice Kleenex. What do we got here? We got the Zero face soap. All right, I got Makeup Remover wipes. Don't need that. Body lotion. I love that lighthouse picture. Clean bathroom here. I did use the restroom, I apologize. But it's clean. I just had to come in and use the restroom. But look, I love the shower here. Look at that pressure there. That looks nice. Ooh, can't wait to take a shower. Nice sliding glass door here, guys. You know, Gramps loves sliding glass doors because he doesn't flood the bathroom with the curtain. I like everything Hampton Inn. I always have the Zeros. I love them. I don't know if I love them, but they work great when I use them all the time. And we got a little handicap bar that's good. All right, guys, this is a solid room. No, extra toilet paper, trash. Not sure what that is. I'm afraid I'm not going to touch it because I'm not sure what it is. We have a fan in here. Oh, just an extra light. No, doesn't sound like a fan. That's all right. Now we know. Oh, well, let's check this shower. There we go. Just want to show you guys the pressure of that shower. Again, we have the door here. Yeah, just like usual, you can lock it here, safety last there. Close that. All right, guys, I think solid room. All right, well, I guess one other thing to do, right? You guys, but I'm ready for the bed test. All right, it's a little firm, but I like a firm bed, so that's okay with me. My sunglasses fall off here. All right, identical beds, guys. They're both equally, I mean, not super firm, but they're pretty firm. They've got a little bounce to them, but I like sleeping in these beds. I sleep sound in these beds every time I come to Hampton Inns. This is my first time at this Hampton Inn, but this is probably my 7th stay at Hampton Inn overall in the last 2 years. I'm a fan. And if you didn't know this, Hampton Inn created the continental breakfast and the waffles. They didn't create waffles, but the Belgian waffles that we get at all the Hampton Inns, yep, they created that. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have some Belgian waffles and some free breakfast. Probably won't bring you guys along because there'll be a lot of people down there, and I don't like filming when people are eating this stuff. That's, you know, not my style. I think it's kind of rude. So I try not to do that. And I've determined it's kind of a headache to try to get these permissions from the managers of these resorts. It's not even a resort, it's just a hotel. I was going to do a tour of the hotel, but I mean, all Hampton Inns kind of look the same to me. I mean, well, because they do look the same. It's not just to me. I mean, straight up, they look the same. So I'm not gonna do a Hampton Inn, like show you around the actual hotel. It's got a pool. It's got the same pool all Hampton Inn has. It's a nice hotel. What we're all looking for here anyway, right? What the room looks like. And the room's great. I highly recommend it, guys. I'll give you a little recap in the morning of how my stay actually was. Was it quiet? Was it noisy? Were these beds good? Or did I have a hard time sleeping? I'll let you know in the morning, and we'll do a recap. See you then. So I know I said I'll see you guys in the morning, and I will, but I just noticed when I was unpacking, there's no bureau drawers. So maybe what I thought was pantry drawers in here, which maybe we use as weird bureau drawers. I'm not doing that. I mean, yeah, we got the fridge, we got the microwave, we got that, we got the desk, we got the ottoman. Yeah, but it didn't dawn on me when I was doing the hotel tour that we have no bureau drawers. No bureau either, I mean, for that matter. So yeah, closet. All right, well, that is what we're missing. Okay, well, I mean, for me, not a deal breaker. I have my packing cubes, so I might just lay them out here or on the other bed because, again, I'm doing a solo trip. Or I might just leave my bag over there. So, not a deal breaker for me, but I wanted to let that be known that this hotel does not have bureau drawers. Yeah, all right, but I'll see you in the morning, guys. Well, good morning. I had a great night's sleep in this bed. That bed stayed unused, but that bed was comfortable. I think tonight I might sleep in that bed. I also went down. Now, it was very busy at breakfast, so I didn't film anything when I was down there. I had the GoPro with me in my pocket, but it was just too many people, and I just don't like filming other people, and you know, they're on their vacation too, so out of courtesy, if there's a lot of people, I generally I don't film in there. So, but I'm going to show you what I got for breakfast because I brought it up to my room. So let's check it out. It looks good. All right, let's dig into it, guys. Here we are. So first, let's go with this. This is my hot stuff. Well, it's all hot, but continental breakfast again at Hampton Inn. Hopefully we get a good little lighting here. So we got, ooh, fell off, no good. That's gonna go in the trash. unfortunately, because these are delicious. We have maple sausages. We got some egg omelets there. I've had these before, and they are delicious. And we have some home fries. Good old-fashioned Massachusetts home fries. I love it. All right, and we have the staple of Hampton Inns, your very own Belgian waffle that you make yourself. And at this location in Elm Street in Amesbury, it's the first one I've seen at this Hampton Inn where they had banana nut bread batter. So you make your own Belgian waffles here. They have batters. They usually have two options, like regular and then strawberries, berries, something. But this is banana nut waffle. Can't wait to try it. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed this room. Hampton Inn, guys. This one I like, but I like them all. So I highly recommend Hampton Inn. And again, guys, I'm not affiliated with Hilton Properties, Hampton Inns. I just enjoy them, and I do pay for these out of my own pocket. So I give you honest reviews. But again, I love the Hampton Inns. And what I've done in the past is, if I hadn't liked the hotel, I just hadn't like filmed it or continued to film it. But going forward, good or bad, you're gonna hear about it. Gramps out. Thanks, guys.